There's a Falcon GT 351. An old Holden panel van. Straight six in it. Old Tirana. We get caught behind that. What do you see? Is that ant or mosquito or what? Looks like an ant. 56 Chevy Bel Air.
Michael Murray, Falcon, please come here.
An old Holden U with triple carbs on it. An old Tirana. Old Holdens. Like a Datsun, a Ford Escort. Might check that out on our way back, huh?
Yeah, I'm not stupid.
Fargo. Old Fargo. See that one, that Valiant Charger? I remember Dad taking us to a Chrysler dealer in the early 70s, and he had a Valiant. And I thought this was such a cool car. It was so awesome looking in. SLR 5000 Tirana. Some Mopar stuff, huh?
Bob's up there. Up there. Well, she was. There she is.
Is that it? That's it for the street, isn't it? There's a Smoking the Bandit car. Falcon. Rotary.
Oh my gosh,
She pick it up, please. GTR XU1. That's a Ford, huh? There's an old Trans Am there, look at that. Oh, they have to leave, I think, by 1 o'clock.
Oh, really?
So, see this car here? Uncle Bill had one of those too, Ford LTD. So it's 1977, 76. Old Mustang. Tirana. .351 GT. That looks pretty cool. Old Mustang. The 289 there. 65 grand. That's a lot.
He sold it. Look and admire, but please do not touch.
Yeah, that. A Ford Escort with no rust. That's pretty clean, isn't it? There's a mini moke. Alright. A little mini moke. My dad had two of these too. Ford Escort. They had a 1.6 liter and a 2 liter. Yeah, everybody's going home.
Lucky that you come in there.
Yeah, right. Sorry. There's a Ford Cortina. Wow, look at that. Some old Corvettes. Thunderbird.
Okay. Which one? One.
We're on HT 307. Look at that. Wooden bone. Old Corvette. Wow, that was so cool. I remember that thing yesterday. An old F-100. Oh, watch out, Selena. Old International Scout. Don't see those in China. Old Holden. Really old Holden, huh? 1964 EH. Check it, that's like where'd your mom go? There they are up there. Oh, they're getting rid of it. Some mini. Some old Ford. Oh, what are you doing? '62 Volkswagen, huh? '64 Volkswagen bus. old tractor, 1957 tractor. And that kind of does it for the car